Hello. Day 6 of 30 edits in 30 days, 30 uploads. Hope you're having a good afternoon, evening, or night. My name is Greg. Welcome to another edition of Ed and Edit set to music. I have a new album out. It's called Lost in Time. So I'm promoting it and kind of challenging myself to 30 uploads in 30 days in this first month of the year 2022. The track that you're about to hear is called Ambient Fields. It is a track that is kind of a instruments played live or synthesizers played live, and then has like a really odd arrangement. But again, it's got a vibe. I'm gonna put some cool floaty drone footage of me flying at the beach and over it. And you can download it at udachi.bandcamp.com. You can stream it at Apple Music or Spotify. All the links are in the description. Just to take note, if you are a creator and you want to use these beats in your edits, in your streams, feel free, because they are not copyrighted. You know, they're not ContentID, so you won't get taken down. You won't get a strike from YouTube. It's kind of 99% of the reason why I put this album out, because I literally just wanted to put music in the background of my own reels. That is my own music. So I finally took all these old tracks and put them out there. So enjoy, have a great evening, afternoon, morning. You know, put this on. This is a nice mellow tune. Vibe out to it, have your coffee, whatever. If you're going to bed, it's a nice little visual to lull you to sleep. Have a great day. Peace.